Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. In this video, we are solving remaining 4 examples from exercise 7.1. Up to last video, we have completed first 12 example. See in the example number 13th, what is the question? Two numbers are selected at random without replacement from the first 6 positive integer. Now, which are the first 6 positive integer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are what? First 6 positive integer. Now, how many numbers are selected at random? So 2 numbers are selected at random. So if 2 numbers are selected at random, then in how many possible different ways we are getting the result that we are finding, and set of all possible outcome is called as what? Sample space, and this set we are denoting by what? S. So here may be possible that the 2 numbers drawn are 1 and 2 because replacement is not there. Without replacement, एक बार अगर 1 select हो गया तो 1 को replace नहीं करना है, यानी दूसरा नंबर कोई और होगा, या तो 2 होगा, 3 होगा, 4 होगा, 5 होगा और 6 होगा. Getting it? So 2 numbers selected are 1 and 2, or may be possible then 1 3, or what? 2 3, or what? 1 4, then what? 2 4, or what? 3 4, isn't it? So we are finding in how many possible ways 2 integers can be selected. Now next possibility, या तो फिर 1 5 होगा, या तो फिर 2 5 होगा, 3 5 होगा, या 4 5 होगा. 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5. Otherwise 1 6, 2 numbers selected are 1 and 6, or 2 and 6, or 3 and 6, or 4 and 6, or what? 5 and 6. So we have collected all the possible result in one set. Now count how many possible results we are getting. So total 5 plus 5 plus 5 means total 15 outcomes are there. Now we will focus on our random variable. Random variable generally we are denoting by what? X. And here X denote what? Let X denote the larger of the 2 numbers. Now here 2 numbers are selected, and X denote what? Larger of the 2 numbers. So X denote the larger of the 2 numbers. So using this condition, let us try to find out possible values of X. X के कितने possible values हमें क्या क्या possible values मिल सकते हैं. Now 2 numbers are drawn, and from these 2 number X denote what? Larger of the 2 number. चलो पहले केस में 2 number क्या है? 1 and 2. So which is the larger number? 2 is the larger number, means one value of X is equal to 2. If we are considering second element, so 2 number drawn are what? 1 and 3. Which is the larger number? 3. Here which is the larger number? 3. Already 3 is written here. Then in this case which is the larger number? 4 4 4 means next possible value of X is 4. अगर ये एलिमेंट देखेंगे हम तो which 2 numbers are selected? 1 and 5. which is the larger number? बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 5. यहाँ पे भी 5 है, यहाँ पे भी 5 है, और यहाँ पे भी 5 है. means X की value, next possible value of X is what? 5. And if you'll observe these remaining element, in every element 6 is greater. 2 number drawn, 2 numbers are drawn, but what X denote? Larger number. So here larger number is 6 6 6 6, and here also 6. Means in this way we have got possible values of X. Now for these possible values of X, let us try to find out their corresponding probability. इनकी probabilities find करेंगे. Once the probabilities are known to us, then we are able to find out our required value E of X. चलो पहले probability फाइंड करते हैं और बाद में E of X की वैल्यू फाइंड करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट वी आर फाइंडिंग प्रोबेबिलिटी व्हेन X is equal to, what is the first value of X? X is equal to 2. Now we are finding probability when X is equal to 2 is equals to, now total how many outcomes are there? 15 outcomes are there, and we have to check how many elements satisfies this condition that X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 इसका मतलब क्या है? ऐसे कितने एलिमेंट है ये 15 में जिसमें 2 ग्रेटर नंबर है? तो यहाँ पे ये की एलिमेंट है जहाँ पे 2 क्या है? ग्रेटर है. मीन्स इन दिस केस 2 इज व्हाट? ग्रेटर. विच 2 नंबर्स आर सेलेक्टेड? 1 and 2, एंड X डिनोट व्हाट? लार्जर नंबर. तो लार्जर नंबर कौन सा है? 2. और बाकी सब केसेस में अगर आप देखेंगे तो 2 लार्जर नहीं है. मीन्स ओनली 1 एलिमेंट इज देयर इन विच 2 इज लार्जर. सो इट्स प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1 by 15. नाउ वी आर फाइंडिंग प्रोबेबिलिटी व्हेन X इज इक्वल टू 3. तो आपको ऐसे एलिमेंट्स ढूंढने हैं ये 15 एलिमेंट में जिसमें 3 लार्जर नंबर होना चाहिए। चलो यहाँ पे अगर हम देखेंगे तो 3 लार्जर है, यहाँ पे भी 3 लार्जर है। अगेन 3 appears here also, but here 3 is not larger, 4 is larger। और यहाँ पे 3 दिखाई दे रहा है हमें, लेकिन यहाँ पे 3 लार्जर नहीं है। कौन लार्जर है? 5। सो ऐसे कितने एलिमेंट है जहाँ पे 3 लार्जर है? तो यहाँ पे 1 and 3 दो आउटकम्स है, तो लार्जर 3 है। 2 and 3, दिस इज इन दिस केस which two numbers are selected? 2 and 3. Larger number is what? 3. Means only in 2 cases 3 is larger, so its probability is 2/15. So now we are finding probability when x is equals to 3. x is equals to, which is the next value of x? 4. X is equals to 4. Total 15 outcomes are there and we have to find out such element. कौन से element देखना है जिसमें 4 larger है? तो यहाँ पे 4 larger है, यहाँ पे भी 4 larger है और यहाँ पे भी 4 larger है। Means 3 elements are there. यहाँ पे भी 4 दिखाई दे रहा है हमें, लेकिन यहाँ पे 4 नहीं, 5 larger है। तो हमें कौन से element ढूंढने हैं जिसमें 4 larger है, यानी 2 नंबर में से 4 क्या होना चाहिए? Larger. So in this case 4 is larger, in this case also 4 is larger, and in this case also 4 is larger. Means this condition is satisfying by 3 element. That's why we can say that probability is 3/15. Later on we are finding probability when x is equal to 5. Means from these 15 element we have to search such element in which the larger number is 5. Means 2 numbers are selected and 5 is the larger number. So here 5 is the larger, here also 5 is the larger, 5 is larger, 5 is larger. Means how many elements we are getting? 4 elements. So 4/15 will be its probability. Lastly, we are finding probability when x is equal to what? 6. तो 6 लार्जर होना चाहिए। चलो यहाँ पे देखो 6 लार्जर है, यहाँ पे भी लार्जर है, यहाँ पे भी लार्जर है, यहाँ पे भी लार्जर है और यहाँ पे भी लार्जर है। मीन्स 1 2 3 4 5 एलिमेंट्स आर देयर इन विच 6 इज व्हाट? लार्जर। सो 5/15 विल बी इट्स प्रोबेबिलिटी। व्हेन probability for all values of x is known to us, we have a formula to find out e of x. Now we are finding our required value. क्या निकालना है हमें? e of x means expected value. और क्या formula है इसका? summation xi into what? pi. Means we have to take the sum of what? Product of value of random variable with its probability. These are the value of random variable and these are their probability. So well, in the first case, what is value of x? 2 and its probability is 1/5. So 1/15. 2 into 1/15 means we have taken the product of value of random variable with its probability, and summation means plus. Now in the second case, what is the value of x? 3 and its probability is 2/15. Means 3 into 2/15 plus then what? 4 into 3/15. Later on plus 5 into 4/15 plus 6 into 5/15. So which is equal to, so denominator of all the terms are same, denominator of all the terms are same. Now take the addition of numerator. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 2 is 6 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 5 4s are 20 plus 6 5s are 30. Let us check what addition we are getting. In the denominator 15, keep it as it is. 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 12 will be 62, 62 plus 6 will be 68, 68 plus 2 will be equal to 70. Now here we can observe that both the numbers are divisible by 5. If I am dividing to numerator by 5, here we will get 15, 14, and if I am dividing to denominator by 5, here we will get 3. Means in this way we have got the value of e of x, which is our required value. Now see the example number 14. In this example, x denote the sum of numbers obtained when 2 dice are rolled. So here what is our random experiment? 2 dice are rolled. If 2 dice are rolled, we know that possible outcomes are 36. So already you are very well familiar with this, very well aware with these 36 outcomes when 2 dice are rolled. Means number of outcomes is equal to 36. Total outcomes are what? 36. And now let us define the random variable which is already given in our example, that x denote the sum of number obtained. So x denote the sum of numbers obtained. Suppose that here the 2 number obtained are 1 1, then their sum is what? 2. So x denote what? Sum of numbers. So let us associate every outcome of this experiment of the sample space with a real number. means we are trying to find out possible values of x, where x denote what? Sum of number obtained. तो हर एक आउटकम के साथ एक नंबर, एक रियल नंबर हम एसोसिएट करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे हमें सम निकालना है. 1 + 1 will be equal to what? 2. Here what is the sum? 1 + 2 is equal to 3, because x denote what? Sum of number obtained, and here which numbers are obtained? 1 and 2, so their sum will be equal to 3. Here sum will be equal to 4. Again observe, 1 + 4 is 5, then what? 1 + 5 is 6, 1 + 6 is 7. Now observe the element of second row. 2 and their sum is 3, already 3 is written. Here sum is 4, 4 is written. Here sum is 5, 5 is also written. 2 + 4 is 6, 6 is also there. 2 + 5 is 7, 7 is also there. 2 + 6 is 8. Now observe the element of third row. Here sum is 4, 4 is already written. Here sum is 5, 5 is also there. 6 is also there. Here sum is 7, 7 is also there. Here sum is 8. So here what we are getting? New number 9. Now here sum is 5, here 6, 7, 8, 9, and here 9 is already written. Here sum is what? 10. So write down 10. So here sum is 6, 6 is already written. Sum is 7, here 8, here 9, 9 is written. 10 is also written, and here sum will be equal to what? 11. Now here sum is what? 6 + 1 is 7, 7 is already written. Here 8 is also written, 9 is also written. Here sum is 10, 10 is also written, 11 is also written. But here sum 6 + 6 will be equal to 12. So in this way we have got all possible values of x. Now we are finding probability when x is equal to 2. So p of x is equals to 2. Its probability. Total how many outcomes are there? 36 outcomes are there. From this 36 outcome we are finding such element where sum is equal to what? 2. X denote 2. X means what? Sum of number obtained. So let us check where we are getting sum. Sum is equal to 2. So here 1 + 1 will be equal to what? 2. Now we are finding probability when x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 means sum is equal to 3. So let us check here. 1 + 2 is 3, and here 2 + 1 is 3, means 2 elements are there. So here 2 by 36 will be its probability. Later on we are finding probability when x is equals to what? 4, means sum is equals to 4. Let us check how many elements are there out of this 36 where sum is equals to 4. So here also we are getting sum is equal to 4, here also 4, and here also 4, means total 3 elements are there where sum is equal to 4. So x is equal to 5, means now we are searching such element out of 36 where sum of 2 number obtained is what? 5. So here sum is 5, 5, 5, 5, means total 4 elements are there where sum is equals to 5. Now we are finding probability of x when x is equal to, what is the next number? 6. So is equal to, total 36 outcomes are there. Out of these 36 outcomes we have to identify such numbers where sum is equal to 6. So here also sum is 6, 6, 6, 6 and 6, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 elements are there. Now we are finding probability when x is equal to what? 7, means we are searching such element where sum of 2 number obtained is what? 7. So observe that here 1 + 6 is 7, here also 7, 2 + 5, 3 + 4 is 7, 4 + 3 is 7, 5 + 2 is 7, and 6 + 1 is 7, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 elements are there where sum of 2 number obtained is what? 6. What is the next value of x? 7. 7 already we have completed. 8. So now we are finding probability when x is equals to what? 8. So now we are searching such element where sum of 2 number obtained is what? 8. So here we can observe that sum is 8. Here also 8, 3 + 5 is 8, 4 + 4 is 8, 5 + 3 is 8, and 6 + 2 is 8, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 elements are there out of this 36 where sum is equal to 8. Now find out probability of x is equal to 9, means out of this 36 element we have to find out such element where sum of 2 number obtained is what? 9. चलो देखते कहाँ पे 9 मिल रहा है हमें. So here 3 + 6 is 9. Again 4 + 5 is 9, 5 + 4 is 9, and 6 + 3 is also what? 9. Means total we have got 4 element here where sum of 2 number obtained is what? 9. Later on we are finding probability when x is equals to 10. x is equals to 10. So find out such number where x is equal to 10 means sum of two number obtained is what? 10. So here we can observe that 4 plus 6 is 10, 5 plus 5 is 10 and 6 plus 4 is also 10. Means total 3 elements we are getting where sum is equal to 10. Later on p of x is equals to 11 means find out such element where sum of two number obtained is 11. So here 6 5 and 5 6. Here we can observe that 5 plus 6 is 11 and 6 plus 5 is also 11. Means total 2 elements are there out of this 36 where sum of two number obtained is 11. Lastly, we are finding probability when x is equals to 12. So 36, we can observe that only last element is remaining where sum of two number obtained is what? 12. 6 plus 6 is what? 12. So only one element satisfies this condition. So that's why we can say that its probability is 1 by 36. Means values of random variables are also known and their corresponding probabilities are also known. So we are first constructing probability distribution. So therefore probability distribution of random variable x is. So let us try to find out probability distribution. For that purpose, first we are writing the values of x. Which are the values of x here? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and last value of x will be equals to what? 12. Once the value of x are known to us, write down their corresponding probabilities. Already the value of probabilities are also known to us. When x is equal to 2, observe that probability is 2 by 36, 2 by 36. When x is equal to 3, observe that probability is what? When x is equal to 2, I think only one element is there. Observe that 1 plus 1 means here probability is 1 by 36. Sorry, make the correction, 1 by 36. When x is equal to 3, at that time probability is 2 by 36. So here 1 by 36 is there. When x is equal to 4, its probability is 3 by 36. When x is equals to 5, its probability is 4 by 36. For 6, probability is 5 by 36. For 7, 6 by 36. For 8, its probability is 5 by 36. Then for 9, 4 by 36. For 10, 3 by 36. And for 11, 2 by 36, and lastly when x is equal to 12, probability is 1 by 36. So we have constructed probability distribution. Now what is our question? Question is to find out standard deviation. To find out standard deviation, we will require E of x also, then variance also, and to find out variance we will require value of E of x square also. And if we are taking square root of variance, we will obtain standard deviation. So means first we have to find out E of x. So let us try to find out E of x here. So therefore E of x means expected value of this random variable is equal to, what is the formula? Summation xi into pi. So which is equals to, now try to understand here very carefully. We are taking sum of product of value of random variable and its probability. So here 2 into 1 by 36. First we have taken product of value of random variable and its probability, plus then what in the second case 3 into what? 2 by 36. In the next case what we will get? 4 into 3 by 36. 4 into 3 by 36. In the next case 5 into 4 by 36. Then in the next case plus 6 into 5 by 36 plus 7 into 6 by 36. Here 36 is there, plus 8 into 5 by 36 plus 9 into 4 by 36. Later on 10 into plus 10 into 3 by 36 plus 11 into 2 by 36 plus 12 into 1 by 36. So here we can observe that denominator of all the terms are same. What is the denominator of every term? Denominator of every term is 36. Now let us see what number we are getting in the numerator. Simply we are taking addition of numerator since denominators are what? Same. So here numerator is 2 into 1 is 2, plus here 3 2s are 6, plus 4 3s are 12, plus here 5 4s are 20, plus 6 5s are 30, plus 7 6s are 42, plus 8 5s are 40, plus 9 into 4 is 36, plus 10 into 3 is 30, plus 11 into 2 is 22, and lastly 12 ones are 12. In this way we have got the numbers in the numerator, so which is equal to, in the denominator we are not disturbing to denominator, keep 36 in the denominator as it is. Now simply we are taking addition of the numbers which we are getting in the numerator. So observe that 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 12 is 20, 20 plus 20 is 40, 40 plus 30 is 70, 70 plus 40 plus 30 means again 70, 70 plus 70 is 180, 140, 140 plus 42, 182, 182 plus 36, 218, 218 plus 22, 240, 240 plus 12, 252. So here we will get 252, and hope all of you know the table of 36, 36 sevens are 252, means what value of e of x we are getting here? 7. So this implies that e of x is equal to what? 7. In this way we have got the value of e of x. Now using this probability distribution, once the probability distribution is known to us, we are able, as we have got the value of e of x, similarly we are trying to find out value of e of x square. Once value of e of x square is known to us, we are able to obtain the value of variance applying its formula, and then standard deviation. Means to find out standard deviation we will require what? Variance also, because by taking square root of variance we are able to find out standard deviation. Now let us try to find out e of x square. And what is the formula to find out e of x square? Its value is equal to summation xi square into pi. So value of random variable x is also known to us, and this probability is also known to us. So we have to take the square of x and multiply to its probability, and summation means take the sum of product of square of value of random variable and its probability. So here in the first case what we will get? 2 square into 1 by 36, plus in the second case 3 square into 2 by 36. Observe, continue, next term will be 4 square into 3 by 36. In the next case 5 square into 4 by 36. Then 6 square into 5 by 6 square into 5 by 36, plus 7 square into 6 by 36, plus 8 square into 5 by 36, plus 9 square into 4 by 36, plus 10 square into 3 by 36, plus 11 square into 2 by 36, and lastly 12 square into 1 by 36. So which is equals to, just simply we have taken sum of product of value of random, product of square of value of random variable and its probability. Okay, applying this formula. The remaining part is simplification part. Here also we can observe that denominator of all the terms are same, that is what? 36. Simply we have to take the addition of numerator. So 2 square is 4, 4 ones are 4, plus here square of 3 is 9, 9 into 2 is 18, plus here square of 4 is 16, 16 3s are 48, plus 5 square is 20, 24 is 5 square is 25, 25 4s are 100, plus 36, square of 6 is 36, 36 5s are 180, plus 7 square is 49, 49 6 are 294 plus square of 8 is 64 and 64 5s are. So 5 4s are 20, carry 2, 5 6 are 30, 32 means 320 plus square of 9 is 81, 81 into 4. So here 4 1s are 4 and 4 8s are 32 means we will get 324. Again here square of 10 is 100, 100 into 3 is 300, 300. Again here we are getting some numbers plus square of 11 is 121, 121 into 2 will be equal to 242 plus square of 12 is 144 into 1 is 144 divided by, in the denominator of all the term is what? 36. Now simply you have to find out addition of all the numbers in the numerator. So as all of you are the student of class 12th, hope so all of you are very perfect in taking the addition. Check that the addition of all these number is 1974 or not. So I know that addition of all these number is 1974. Once this addition is obtained, check that this division will be equals to, perform this division, it will be 5, definitely 180 means 5, check, try to find it yourself and check that your answer is 54.83 or not. 54.83. Simply you have to perform this division and its value is 54.83. Means once the value of e of x square is known to us, we are able to find out variance of this random variable. And what is the formula to find out variance? Formula to find out variance is e of x square minus e of x whole bracket square. Just apply this formula to find out value of variance. E of x square, just now we have got its value 54.83 minus e of x, I am replacing it by its value. E of x we have got 7, so here replace e of x by 7, keep this square as it is, which is equal to 54.83 minus square of 7 is 49 and here 54 minus 49 will be equals to 5. 5.83 is the value of what? V of x. Once the value of V of x is known to us, using V of x we are able to find out our required value. And what is the question? Find the standard deviation. So this implies that standard deviation will be equals to under root V of x. Means we have to find out square root of 5.83. In the exam log table is provided to us, and using log table easily we are able to find out square root of 5.83. Even in your earlier classes, means 8-9 standard, you have seen how to find out square root of a number using long division method. But which is the simple method? Apply log table. Log table is provided in the examination. Using log table we are able to find out square root of 5.83 and its approximate value is equal to 2.41. So 2.41. In this way we have got the value of standard deviation, which is nothing but our required value. See, in the example number 15, first observe the given condition. What is the given condition? A class has 15 students. Means we are able to say that here number of students in class is equals to 15. So total how many 15 students are there? 15 students, and their ages are also given to us. One student is selected. So one student is selected. If one student is selected, then x shows what? X is nothing but what? The age of x student, means is recorded. So means x shows what? X shows age of a student. One student is selected and x shows age of the student. X shows, or we can say that denotes age of student. Therefore we are trying to find out possible values of x, isn't it? So x shows what? Age of the student. Here we can observe that these are the ages of 15 students. Some students are of age 14, some are of 15, then 16 also appears, 17 also there, 18 is also there. We can observe 19, 20 and 21 is also there. 18, 19, 20 and 21. Means in this way we have got the possible values of x. X shows what? Age of the student. Some student will have 14 years, कुछ बच्चों का एज 15 years है, कुछ 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21 according to given record. Now we have to first find out what probability distribution of the random variable x. So directly we are able to find out probability distribution because easily we are able to count the ages of the student from this 15, from the given age of 15 student. So therefore probability distribution of this random variable x is, so first write down the values of x and then we are trying to find out their corresponding probabilities. So first we are writing the values of x. What are the values of x? 14, then what? 15, observe 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. These are what? Ages of the student. Now we are finding their corresponding probability, means P of x. Count total how many students are there? 15 students are there. Out of these 15 students, check how many students are of 14 years. So 1, 2, we can observe that only 2 students are there. That's why its probability is 2 by 15. Now observe how many students are there whose age is how much? 15 years. So 15, 1, again 15 does not appear, means its probability is 1 by 15. Total how many students are there? 15 students. Check how many students are of age 16 year. चलो 16 एज कितने बच्चों का है? एक, और यहाँ पे एक मिला, यानी 2 स्टूडेंट ऐसे जिनका एज कितना है? 16 years. Now find out number of student whose age is equal to how much? 17 years. Okay, age is equal to 17 years. So total how many students are there? 15, and 17 appears 1, 2, 3 times. So means 3 students are there. So its probability will be equals to 3 by 15. Later on check that how many students are there out of these 15 whose age is equal to 18. 18 appears 1, again only 1 time, so its probability is 1 by 15. Later on find out the probability when age is equals to what? 19 years. 19 appears 1 and 2 times, so its probability is 2 by 15. Lastly, how many students are there of age 20 years? 1, 2 and 3 students are there. Lastly, check how many students are there of age 21 years. 21 years के कितने स्टूडेंट है? एक, सिर्फ एक ही स्टूडेंट है. टोटल कितने स्टूडेंट थे? 15. लेट अस चेक वेदर एडिशन ऑफ न्यूमरेटर इज 15 और नॉट. 2 + 1 is 3, 3 + 2 is 5, 5 + 3 8 + 1 9, 9 + 2 9 + 2 is 11, 11 + 3 is 14, 14 + 1 is 15. So our answer is correct here. So in this way we have got the probability distribution. Once the probability distribution is known to us, our second required value is mean. Mean means what? E of x. So let us try to find out value of mean. So therefore mean is equals to what is the formula to find out mean? Summation xi into pi. Applying this formula we are able to find out value of mean. So here summation xi into pi means we have to take the sum of product of value of random variable with its probability. Means what result we will get here? 14 into 2 by 15 plus then 15 into 1 by 15, 15 into 1 by 15, then 16 into what is this probability? 2 by 15, 2 by 15 plus 17 into 3 by 15, 3 by 15. Later on 18 into 1 by 15, so plus 18 into 1 by 15 plus after 18 19 into 2 by 15, 19 into 2 by 15 plus after 19 observe that 20 into 3 by 15, 20 into 3 by 15 plus 21 into 1 by 15. So if you'll observe all the terms here, denominator of all the terms are what? Same, 15. Denominator of all the terms are same. That's why simply we are taking addition of numerator. So 14 2s are 28 plus 15 1s are 15 plus 16 2s are 32 plus 17 3s are 51 plus 18 1s are 18 plus 19 2s are 38 plus 23s are 60 and 21 1s are 21. So which is equals to, in the denominator 15, keep it as it is. Now we are taking addition of all the numbers in this numerator and check that this addition is equal to 263 or not. So already I have taken these additions, so simply you have to check whether the addition of all the numbers in the numerator is what? 263. So which is equal to, now perform this division. 15 ones are, so we are dividing to 263 by what? 15. 15 ones are 15, so here remaining term is 11 and 3. So here 7s are 105. So see what we are getting, difference 8. So take the point 0. 5s are 75. So here we'll get 5. 0 means 3. Means what we are getting, 17.53 is value of mean. Mean is also denoted by what? E of x. In this way we have got our first required value, E of x. Even here we have to find out variance. To find out the variance, we will require value of E of x square also. So now we are finding the value of E of x square, because to find out variance or formula of variance, or to apply the formula of variance, we will require value of E of x square. And what is the formula of E of x square? Summation xi square into pi. So which is equals to, let us check what result we are getting here. Xi square into pi means square of value of random variable and its product with its corresponding probability. चलो पहला x की वैल्यू कितनी है? 14 square into its probability is 2 by 15. Then in the same way 15 square into its probability 1 by 15 plus 16 square into its probability 2 by 15. Later on 17 square plus 17 square into its probability 3 by 15 plus 18 square into its probability 1 by 15 plus 19 square into its probability 2 by 15, then 20 square plus 20 square into its probability 3 by 15, and lastly 21 square into its probability 1 by 15. So which is equal to, here also we can observe that denominator of all the terms are what? Same. So in all these cases denominators are what? Same. 15, 15, 15, 15. Denominators are same. That's why we are taking addition of what? Numerator. Now observe the addition of numerator very carefully. What is square of 14? Will be 196. 196 into 2 is 392, will be equal to 392 plus square of 15 is 225 into 1 is 225 plus, now square of 16 will be equal to, what is square of 16? 256. 256 into 2. Let us try to find out this product, will be equals to 512. So 512 plus, now square of 17 is 289. 289 into 3. So 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 2 is 26, 26 means carry 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, means 867. So here we are getting 867 plus square of 18 is 324, 324 into 1 is 324 plus square of 9 is 19 is 361, 361 into 2, so will be 2, 2, carry 1, 6, 1, 7, 722. So here we'll get 722 plus square of 20 is 400, and 400 into 3 will be equals to 1200 plus square of 21 is 441, 441 into 1 will be 441. So which is equals to, now denominator keep it as it is, simply we have to take the addition of all the numbers in this numerator. Now hope all of you are able to perform this addition yourself also, and this addition will be equal to 4683. 4683. So which is equals to, after finding this addition, let us perform this division and check that value of division will be equals to 312.2 or not. So in this way we have got the value of what? E of x square. Once the value of E of x square is known to us, we are able to find out variance of this random variable. Now once the value of this E of x square is known to us, let us try to find out value of V of x, means variance. And what is the formula to find out variance? E of x square minus E of x whole bracket square. So which is equals to, now remaining part is just to substitute the value. What is the value of E of x square? That is 312.2 minus E of x. We have got the value of E of x, that is 17.53. Keep this square as it is. Keep the first number 312.2 as it is minus. Now we have to find out square of what? 17.53. So its square will be equals to, square can be find out our using regular method also or using log table also, and its square will be 307.2. This is approximate value of square, will 0.3, sorry, which is equal to, now we have to perform the difference of these two numbers, and this difference of these two numbers will be equal to 4.9. so easily we are able to find out this difference will be equal to 4.9. in this way we have got the variance of random variable. And lastly, to find out standard deviation, so standard deviation will be equals to square root of V of x. This is the formula to find out what? Standard deviation. So which is equal to square root of, now we are substituting the value of variance, that is equal to 4.9, and square root of 4.9 can be find out using log table. So using log table easily we will get its square root, and its value is equal to 2.21. in this way we have got our last required value, also standard deviation. Standard deviation is also denoted by what? Sigma. So in this way we have got all required values in this example. Now see the last question from this exercise. In this case it is given to us that in a meeting 70% of the members favors and 30% oppose a certain proposal. Means two things are given to us, 70% member favors a proposal and 30% oppose a certain proposal. Again observe, a member is selected at random and we take x is equals to 0 if he oppose, and x is equals to 1 if he is in favor. Means x is equal to 0 represents what? Oppose the proposal, and x is equal to 1 represents what? Favors the proposal. Means already x is defined and they have given that two possible values of x are there. Which are the two possible values of x? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So given values of x are 0 and 1. It is already given in our example that two values of x, means random variable has two values, 0 and 1. random variable के कितने value दिए हैं example में? दो value, 0 and 1. So now using the condition in the example, let us try to find out their corresponding probabilities. So therefore we are finding probability when x is equals to 0 and probability when x is equals to what? 1. And once the value of probability is known to us, we are able to find out our required value E of x and what? E of x means expected value and variance of x. But to find out these values we require probability. Now x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 represents what? If he oppose the proposal. And if he oppose the proposal, what is the given condition? 30% members oppose a certain proposal. Means x is equal to 0, its probability is already given to us in percent, will be equal to 30%. Means p of x is equal to 0 is given to us 30%, and x is equals to 1 means are in favor of the, x is equal to 1 means they are in the favor of the proposal. And in a meeting how many persons are, how many members are in the favor of proposal? 70%. Means this probability is given to us in our example will be equal to 70%. So now 30% in fraction can be written as 30 upon 100. So which is equal to 0 will get cancelled, 3 by 10. So probability of x is equal to 0 will be 3 by 10. Similarly we will find out probability when x is equal to 1. So 70% can be written as 70 upon 100. 0 will get cancelled. So we will get here 7 upon 10. Once the value of x and their corresponding probabilities are known to us, we are able to find out our required value. So first we are finding E of x. Now let us try to find out our first required value, E of x. And what is the formula to find out E of x? Summation xi into pi. At this stand, we will have only two values of x and their corresponding probability is also known to us. So let us take sum of what? Product of value of random variable and its probability. So what is the first value of x? 0 into its probability will be equal to what? 3 by 10. So 0 into 3 by 10 plus summation means plus, and it's in the second case what we will get? X is equal to 1 and its probability is also known to us, 1 into 7 by 10. So 0 into any number will be equal to 0 plus 1 into 7 by 10 will be 7 by 10. So which is equal to 0 plus 7 by 10 is 7 by 10 and 7 by 10 can be written as 0.7. In this way we have got our first required value. Now let us try to find out second required value, means variance of random variable, means v of x, variance of x. But to find out variance of x, first we have to find out the value of e of what? X square. So what is the formula to find out e of x square? Summation xi square into what? Pi. This is the formula to find out value of e of x square, isn't it? Means here we have to take the sum of what? Product of square of value of random variable and its probability. What is the first value of x? 0. So 0 square into its probability is 3 by 10 plus what is the second value of x? 1. So 1 square into its probability is how much? 7 by 10. Now 0 into any number is 0, square of 1 is 1, 1 into 7 by 10 is 7 by 10 and 0 plus 7 by 10 is 7 by 10, which can be written as 0.7. Means here e of x square is also what? 0.7 and e of x is also 0.7. Coincidentally we have got same values here. So now once these two values are known to us, we are able to find out our second required value, e of variance of x. And what is this formula? E of x square minus e of x whole bracket square. So which is equal to, what is e of x square? 0.7 minus what is e of x? E of x is also equal to 0.7. Keep the square as it is, which is equal to 0.7 minus square of 0.7 is 0.49. Since here decimal point is before two digits, so here also we will write 0.7 as 0.70. So which is equal to 0.70 minus 49 will be equals to 21. Means what answer we are getting here? Variance of x will be equals to 0.21. Will be our second required value. In this way we have completed all the example from this exercise 7.1. If you think that these videos are very helpful to you, so please like the videos and share these videos with your friend. In the next video we will start second part of this chapter, that is continuous random variable. All the results and example related with what? Continuous random variable.